One of my favorite walking places, this trail. It's in southern Ohio, Ironton area, Lake Vesuvius Park, state park, Wayne National Forest. This is just a short part of it. It's called the Rock House Trail. They really did a good job on this. Before you get to this, it's all paved. Lots of good rocks and beautiful. And when you get up here, you can actually hear bats chirping up above. I just walked a long way fast, so that's why there's not as much air in me as usual. Is this cool or what? You imagine a couple hundred years ago, Indians, settlers, everybody being here. Up there's where you'll hear the bats chirping sometimes. It's a very cool place. Hate to have that follow you. Certainly wouldn't be anything you'd remember. And on the way back,